2, 1.
Hey guys, what is up? It's Koala, and we're back with another video today. Sorry, I haven't been able to post videos lately due to some stuff. And today I'm here with a little video. I hope you like it. So anyway, let's get right on with the video. Peace out. So right now I'm in Jamal, I'm looking for trade. Rusty at den. Put bad on trade. Spike given. Okay. Let's go to that person's den. What is this? Oh, look at those beautiful masterpieces. I'm gonna like it. You deserve it. See, snake? So what are we doing here, huh? Let me pause real quick and come back when something's actually happening. Okay, anyway, he's finally saying something about trading him for a spike. No offense, but I'm not gonna do it. Back to the den. So anyway, here's a little tour of my little November den. I don't have anything here, but you can play basketball, yeet. And then you walk inside to the beautiful, beautiful dining room. All tons of food. I'm just gonna eat the turkey, and then we'll be done. And then here's my beautiful Hamilton masterpiece, because I love Hamilton, if you didn't already know that about me. And then there's my stuff, my beautiful scented candles, all of this, and then there's my slide. And then I have a little place where I record because it has that beautiful background, and I'm just like, hey guys, what's up? It's Koala. Anyway, here's my little bathroom, you could say. And then this is where I play all day. Anyway, I'm back at Jamal looking for stuff to do. Trade me. What do you have on trade? A wood floor, red brick walls, pink forest walls, and a porch swing. How beta are those things? I'm gonna see what I can buy in the diamond shop. Wow, the spooky stuff is still there. Let's go here, and I'm gonna become an alpha, So there's the tiger. Okay, I kind of want to buy, just to say, I want to buy Greely's because out of all of them, I like Greely the best. Oh, that rocks. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna change into my wolf. And I will change into this Greely attire. Oh yeah, now I actually look like Greely, guys. I'm just kidding, I don't, but okay, let's look. It's dark blue, then light blue on the inside, right? So dark blue, light blue, light blue, light blue. There we go. So that's my attire, and then I will have that navy blue eyes. Look, I'm an alpha, guys. How beautiful. Here, I actually kind of want to become all of the alphas, Except I can't because I'm poor. Anywho, now that I'm an alpha, let's go do some adventures, huh? The Trials of Zios. Or Zios, sorry. Now I'm gonna go talk to them. Blah, 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 blah. Find your way into the ruins. So you kind of just wander around until you make your way into the ruins. Guys, look how much gems this is. 25. Guys, I'm rich now. Come on. So anyway, you come over here. Oh, sorry. Whoa, that was... So anyway, wait. Oh, wow, I feel more powerful in this. Like, this attire just makes you feel more feel and look powerful. Let's go get that. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna wait for that so I can go press the button. And I'm gonna wait. Wait. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, I think I know where all the buttons are. Isn't there like one over here? Okay, so I got 2 of the buttons and I need all 4. So there's one more. I need one. I need one last one. One last one. Oh, there we go. It looks so magical. Okay, let's go. Yes, okay. So now I have to light up all of them. Now, they usually just transform all over. I knew it was going to be here next. So right now I need one right there. It was, oh, look what you made me do. Sorry, that's playing right now downstairs, so I might as well sing to it. Anyway, how do you guys feel about like the new adventures, like twists and turns? I'm probably going to do that after this. Like, how do you guys feel of them? Oh wait, that's the main one. Now we have to complete all of the trials. Oh wow, that wasn't fair. I was just talking to him. I don't deserve to be... Wow, okay. How do I... That was just like totally unfair. Oh, I just... Okay. Ow! Okay, now I have to defeat all of these phantoms. Come here, little phantom. Ah! Oh, I didn't die. That's surprising. Hello. So come on, phantoms, try to get me. Now I just have to get the last phantom, wherever he may be. No, I died! Now I have to go through that again. Oh. For some reason, I just want to know what your guys' favorite song is. Comment down below what your favorite song is, because right now, Look What You Made Me Do is playing. Oh, look, I just got a mask. What do you know? He's allowed to kill me on the way out. Wow. Just kill me off. Bro. Thank you. The phantoms have put you in a deep sleep. Now I got the mask. I'm going to go take it over there. And if you've gotten all of the attire to one alpha, please comment below like which alpha you want to be and which alpha is your best, because I'm just like nosy like that. I'm just kidding. Oh, this one's so easy. Come here, little bro. There's one. Okay, now I just need 3 more. Of course, they're all going to chase me now.